To edit an identity, you either choose the Edit button up here in the header, or switch to the card view and choose Edit Identity from within the toolbox, where you will also find the Edit button. In both cases, a dialog box will open where you can edit the data of your identity. In pidder, an identity represents a compilation of your real or virtual personas. Pidder identities let you control what information will be available and to whom. Let's take a look at what data can be edited. First of all, the name of the identity. This may be used totally independently from the account name. In this case, I'm choosing the same one, but that is arbitrary. And here we have a description that serves as a reminder for myself, so that I can recall for what purpose I will use this identity. This data here can only be seen by you and nobody else. What others will see, you decide, with your values for clearance name and clearance description. Again, those values can be set independently. These text fields show a red background to indicate that the contained data will be sent to the server unencrypted. But why do we need unencrypted data in the first place? Well, your potential contacts must be able to find you first before an encrypted channel can be established. How does a contact in pidder make sure that you are the one you claim to be? For that purpose, we have these clearance parameters: an identity number that was created by the system, and a verification secret that you choose individually. The idea is that you communicate the combination of these two data fields to your contact, choosing a verification that only the two of you can know. Then your contact can be certain that he or she really has made contact to your pidder identity and not to someone who accidentally or even intentionally uses the same identity name as you. You want to be found via pidder's public address book? No problem. Just check here and fill in the details that you want to be shown. Click on Update and the changes you've made will be saved. You may now close the window. So now I have an identity called Jonah. So what are the other editing options available for identities? Within the toolbox Edit Identity, we have the following choices. Add Identity. You may choose to create as many identities as you like in pidder's Premium Edition. The base edition is limited to the administration of one identity. Edit Identity, we just talked about that in detail. With assignment, I can determine which personas should belong to this identity and which persona will be displayed by default when choosing this identity. Using Set Trust Level, I can manage which of my contacts will see the data of this identity with what trust level. We will dedicate a separate screencast to the matter of sharing data using clearance and trust levels. The administration of keys is an issue for advanced users. Here you may choose to use your own keys instead of the ones pidder created for you. The Dropbox is a premium feature of pidder. You can set up one URL, i.e. a web address, per identity, and anyone who knows that URL can then send strongly encrypted messages to you, even anonymously. The sender of the message does not even need to be a registered pidder user. Of course, you can delete an identity as well. If the identity contains personas that aren't assigned to any other identity, there will be a confirm pop-up asking whether those personas should be deleted or else archived.